Today we are going to study about Griffith's experiment. In 1928, Frederick Griffith conducted a series of experiments to reveal the principle of transformation in bacteria. So what is transformation? Transformation means transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another that results in change its physical form. That is known as transformation. ഒരു ബാക്ടീരിയയുടെ ജനറ്റിക് മെറ്റീരിയൽ വേറൊരു ബാക്ടീരിയയിൽ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഫിസിക്കൽ ഫോമിൽ ചേഞ്ച് വരും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ. സോ വിച്ച് ബാക്ടീരിയം റിസീവ് ദ ജനറ്റിക് മെറ്റീരിയൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോം. Then for this experiment he took two strains of bacteria. One is S strain and another one is R strain or Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the bacteria which cause pneumonia. Then S strain bacteria have smooth and shiny colonies and also they have mucopolysaccharide coat. Because of the presence of this mucopolysaccharide coat, it has smooth and shiny colonies and it is the virulent form which cause pneumonia. Then another strain which doesn't have this mucopolysaccharide coat, that is known as the R strain, which is non-virulent form which doesn't cause pneumonia. Then he took the samples. First they took R strain, then it is injected into the mouse. The mouse live because the R strain is non-virulent. Then in the second case they took the S strain of bacterium, then it is injected into the mouse. The mouse die because this S strain bacteria is virulent which cause pneumonia. That's why the mouse die. Then after that he killed the bacterium by heating. Then he took the heat killed S strain bacteria, then it is injected into the mouse. Then after that the mouse live. That means it lost the virulence property. Then next time he took the heat killed S strain bacteria, then it mixed with R strain bacteria, live R strain bacteria. Then this mixture is injected into the mouse. Then after that the mouse die because this R strain bacteria that transformed to S strain, then it cause pneumonia. That's why the mouse die. S strain bacteria transfer the genetic material to R strain bacteria, then it develop mucopolysaccharide coat and become virulent and cause pneumonia. Because of this pneumonia the mouse die. So genetic material is responsible for transformation, but the biochemical nature of genetic material was not defined. For that, Oswald Avery, Colin McCall, Maclean McCarthy conducted experiment to determine the biochemical nature of genetic material which is responsible for transformation. They took three types of enzymes. One is protease enzyme. Then they mixed with the protease enzyme with S strain bacteria. So all the proteins are digested. Then this S strain bacteria mixed with R strain. Then this mixture injected into the mouse die. So it did not, when they used protease enzyme, it did not affect transformation. Then second time they use another enzyme, that is RNase enzyme. Then this RNase enzyme they mix with S strain bacteria. Then all RNAs are digested. Then this S strain bacteria mixed with R strain. Then it is injected into the mouse. Then what happened? It did not affect transformation. Then the third case they use another enzyme, that is DNase enzyme. Then all the DNAs are digested. Then this mixture that is injected into the mouse. Then after that that inhibit transformation. From this experiment they conclude that DNA is the genetic material that helps in transformation. DNA is the genetic material that helps in transformation.